Major announcement soon. The first ever Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF, may soon receive approval. But the really exciting part is about to happen. A wild connection between Shiba Inus and the Bitcoin exchange-traded fund has just been discovered. A weird link, flash crashes, and false news. Hold on tight because we and #039 about to share the secret to transforming this crazy journey into a fantastic opportunity. We will begin immediately. If you and #039 been keeping tabs on market data recently, you might have noticed that cryptocurrency prices have been all over the place. This is mostly due to the fact that big financial institutions like BlackRock have yet to announce their plans for the first ever crypto exchange-traded fund, or ETF. There has been a great deal of anticipation and conjecture about this Bitcoin-focused ETF while it awaits approval from the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. During this time of great expectation, something remarkable happened. The first significant effect was the publication of a study claiming Bitcoin ETF approval was impossible. The prices of Bitcoin and Shiba Inus plummeted almost instantly after this supposedly reliable news broke. As a result of the flash crash and Bitcoin and #039's dominating market value, other cryptocurrencies, like Shiba Inu, were dragged down by its gravitational attraction. Shiba Inu and #039's price fluctuations are very similar to Bitcoin and #039's, as the flash crash demonstrated. The value of Shiba Inus plummeted as investors dumped their holdings in response to what they saw as bad news about the Bitcoin ETF. This shows how much the general mood of the cryptocurrency market, and especially big Bitcoin-related events, impact the price of Shiba Inus. What happened next, though, after this flash crash, is just as interesting. Bitcoin and Shiba Inu both saw incredible price recoveries once the truth came out and the original rumor was proven to be erroneous. A price spike was caused by the comeback of Bitcoin, which in turn boosted trust in the market as a whole. There is a distinct pattern of link between Shiba Inu and this strong momentum in the cryptocurrency market. This case study shows how major events in the cryptocurrency market, particularly those related to Bitcoin, can significantly impact the price dynamics of altcoins like Shiba Inu. From the initial flash crash caused by pessimistic speculation to the subsequent recovery caused by the exposure of false information, the events surrounding the Bitcoin ETF news demonstrate this point. It highlights how the crypto market is dynamic and interdependent, with big events having the potential to cause synchronized moves across different digital assets. However, at the moment, this is precisely what is required. Give me a moment to explain. Lots of excitement is resonating throughout the crypto community. Officially registering its Bitcoin fund for public trading, Fidelity, which manages $4.5 trillion in assets, just taken a major leap. It and #039's as if they and #039 making a great fuss. The world of finance is about to collide with us. And you know what? Before they can receive approval for their Bitcoin ETF, this registration thing is crucial. However, that and #039's not all. Along with other players, VanEck is registering their cryptocurrency product. A wave of enthusiasm spreads like a domino effect. The lowdown is here now. The registration process is analogous to the final dance before the big approval party. We and #039 following all the rules, and we and #039 almost there, as the industry puts it. Everyone is waiting for the first Bitcoin ETF to receive the go-ahead, and businesses are rushing to make their crypto items legally tradable. The announcement is almost ready to drop, and it and #039's going to be huge, so brace yourselves for some major crypto fireworks in the coming days. Do not underestimate the impending influx of tens of trillions of dollars into the cryptocurrency industry. Come with me as I swiftly transport you to a bygone era. Significant events were set in motion when the spot gold ETF was authorized. After 8 years of record highs, gold became the biggest exchange-traded fund, ETF, in the world. As if a wave of gold mania swept the nation. Now, in the present day, it appears like Bitcoin is experiencing a similar phenomenon. Just like with gold, the Fidelities and #039 decision to register their Bitcoin fund is causing quite a commotion. Concerns about a possible historical recurrence have led many to draw comparisons. Something similar might be simmering in the Bitcoin community, according to the prevailing sentiment. Is a bull run in Bitcoin possible? Does it have what it takes to become the ETF industry and #039's next big thing? At this point, it is only speculation. Certain expectations, however, are being heightened by the analogy to the legendary gold rush. Be vigilant. Once again, history may be about to be written. Amidst all this excitement, we must not forget the Shiba Inu and #039's complex relationship with the news of Bitcoin ETFs. It is worth noting that Shiba Inu is very dependent on changes within the Bitcoin ecosystem. The interconnectedness of the cryptocurrency industry is shown by the fact that market dynamics and the value of Shiba Inu could be significantly affected if history repeats itself. Be on the lookout for the story as it unfolds. In this fascinating period of financial history, the tale of Bitcoin and its possible path to an ETF might impact the destiny of Shiba Inu. Anxieties over the possible approval of a Bitcoin ETF has ripple effects across the cryptocurrency market, reminding many of the bull markets that followed revolutionary innovations in the past. It is essential for market players to recognize the possibility of a bull market in this environment of enthusiasm. Such occurrences can have profound and life-altering effects, as the analogy to the gold rush shows. Nevertheless, being well-prepared and hyper-aware are prerequisites for seizing exceptional opportunities. Anyone hoping to profit from the possible approval of a Bitcoin ETF should keep an eye on the storyline as it develops and the market reactions that follow. It is crucial to remain knowledgeable and adaptable when navigating the crypto world, as seen by Shiba Inu and #039's reaction to Bitcoin and #039's advances, which illustrates how intertwined cryptocurrencies are. Staying proactive and educated is of utmost importance as history suggests the beginning of another chapter of transformation. Anyone involved in the cryptocurrency field would do well to take a strategic approach to the possibility of a bull market and to keep an eye out for any obstacles or opportunities that may arise. Being well prepared is essential for successfully navigating the ever-changing Bitcoin market. Given that a large portion of the audience would be unfamiliar with how to handle a possible bull market, the importance of this film is magnified. Those unfamiliar with the cryptocurrency field may feel equal parts excited and overwhelmed by the thought of a bull market, particularly in light of the possible approval of a Bitcoin ETF. The purpose of this video is to act as a tutorial, offering viewers helpful advice and tactics to help them make the most of what may be a pivotal period in the market. Any successful investor needs to know how a bull market works, how major events like ETF approvals could affect the market, and how to put together sound strategy. The goal here is to do more than just provide information. We want to teach our readers how to properly navigate the difficulties of a bull market. This film aims to provide viewers with the